32 beneficial 有益處的形容詞 development 名詞 complain 有 s 呢個應該動詞，因為佢嘅名詞係 t 嚟，所以前面應該係 he she I we they 嚟。cure 醫好 diligent 形容詞勤力的 fully 係個 effort。whose relative pronoun lessons 名詞 seldom 係 effort always 嘅反義。making his possessive 破解為了 preposition。同樣圈低動詞 I have a friend 我有個 friend 佢阿爸阿媽係 doctors 兩個 relative pronoun。佢的 whose parents are doctors who relative pronoun 後邊跟一個動詞 doctors 醫好 cure。A lot of patients 病人 in Hong Kong he is a 乜嘢 student who needs to attend 去嘅意思，放學要上堂 attend lessons。唔識做嘅飛 from swimming to playing the piano， 放完學就要上六堂，游水、彈琴呢樣嗰樣。對於好多人嚟講，波簡低。對於好多人嚟講，for most people，佢嘅 schedule 佢嘅時間表 packed 好滿 adjective 前面加一個 effort，所以係 fully。佢乜嘢 has 動詞喺度 he 緊，中間爭啲咩 effort seldom。佢好少有私人時間去 relax，但係佢從來爭個動詞 he she 第類動詞加 s， 佢醒埋俾你，所以抄落去。complains about parents 咁即係前面爭個形容詞的嘅嘢啦 his parents as 因為取代 because， 因為佢相信動詞喺度，咁即係呢個名詞啦。ing 係一個名詞，善用時間我哋叫 make good use of time， 但係呢度要 gerund 開句，因為當呢個 subject 用，所以 making good use of time。is 乜嘢 is 跟形容詞 beneficial to his personal 係形容詞，形容詞後邊有咩可能啊？名詞 development。見啦，所以我點解對你啲功課一睇我已經知錯嘅，有 feel。你點樣建立個 feel 咧？第一你要識個字，第二就係詞性、動名詞、形容詞、副詞，第三就係多啲溫 Power Word 2呢本天書，所有生字係一組一組記嘅。例如 make good use of time, beneficial to personal development, attend 一個 lessons。當我睇到一粒字，我已經諗到下一粒字佢會出現啲乜嘢。咁我諗得快過你，自然考試高分過你，做人都會叻過你。每一本天書係精心設計，希望你讀英文方便讀啦。I have a friend whose parents are doctors who cure a lot of patients in Hong Kong。漏咗一題，he is a 咁咪爭 diligent 解勤力啊嘛。He is a diligent student who needs to attend at least 6 lessons from school from swimming to playing the piano。樂器要跟對。For most people, his schedule is fully packed。呢個分好咧係解但係意思。對於好多人嚟講，佢好鬼忙，但係我唔中意用拔咧，可以用分好。分好後邊要洗街喎。名校有教，普通學校唔教。He seldom has any spare time for himself to relax. Reflective pronoun。However, he never complains about his parents as he believes that making good use of time is beneficial to his personal development。希望今日 page 32幫到你，加油！動名詞、形容詞、副詞。